Okay, we'll do the assembly line. This is my assembly line right here. We're at the end of it right here. And it starts over there. I'll start you down here. This is where it is. Take all these apart right here. All the wood. I got a bunch of wood. My cut area. That's paint. And they can paint out here too. Get them painted. But from right here, the lumber goes that direction. Circles, comes back, and comes down to here. And I'll assemble it. Every little piece on here. Might get some more ends. More ends and some more of them right there. And these are mismatched. I've got different ones everywhere. Yesterday I was separating and doing some other stuff. They're different type things that go in these right here. But that's it. That is the assembly line. These go out this morning. Those over there. Peace. Bye.